The recent incident involving 3 Chinese astronauts stranded in space has raised concerns about the recurring issue of spacefarers being delayed during their missions. This problem is not unique to China. It has affected both Americans and Russians in recent years. The situation is a stark reminder of the challenges and risks associated with space exploration. But what causes these delays, and why do they keep happening? One of the primary reasons for these delays is technical malfunctions. Space missions are complex, and the harsh environment of space can lead to unexpected equipment failures. For instance, the return craft of the Chinese astronauts suffered damage, forcing them to use the vehicle that brought up their replacements. Similarly, Russian and US astronauts have faced delays due to technical issues, sometimes lasting for months. Another factor is the need for crew rotation and resupply. Astronauts on long-duration missions require regular replacements and resupply of essential resources. This process can be challenging and time-consuming, especially when it involves navigating through the complexities of space travel. The delay in the return of the Chinese astronauts was partly due to the need to bring up their replacements and ensure the station's operations continued smoothly. Furthermore, the unique challenges of space travel cannot be overlooked. The extreme conditions in space, such as microgravity and radiation, can impact the performance of spacecraft and astronauts. These conditions require specialized equipment and procedures, which can sometimes lead to unforeseen delays. For instance, the Russian spacefarers experienced delays due to the need for additional safety measures and equipment adjustments. In conclusion, the recurring issue of astronauts being stuck in space is a multifaceted problem. It is a result of technical malfunctions, the need for crew rotation and resupply, and the unique challenges of space travel. Addressing these challenges requires continuous innovation, rigorous testing, and a deep understanding of the space environment. As space exploration continues to advance, it is crucial to learn from these incidents and improve the safety and efficiency of future missions.